So students, today we are going to revise the topic of articles and determiners. So articles you very well know a and the, and determiners, they have different categories. Okay, so now for that, actually articles and determiners, actually they follow in the category, articles also follow in the category of determiners. Articles is also one part of that category of determiners. Okay, so for example, this is my pen, I have a book, the man standing on the road is badly injured. So in this case, what are determiners? Determiners, they qualify the noun. Okay, they recognize the meaning of a noun, they add something in the meaning of the nouns. Okay, so here in these sentences, the man, in case of the man, the, okay, okay, my, these are what? These are called as determiners. So what are the different kind of determiners? Determiners, let me here write down, not articles, but actually they are determiners, and articles is also the category of determiners. So what are the different types? A for articles, A for articles, then P for what? What? Possessives. Possessive determiners. Thank you very much for calling it nouns and that. And N for numeral determiners, quantitative, and D for demonstrative determiners. Okay, what are the different kind of determiners? Articles, possessive, numeral, and demonstrative determiners. Now first of all, we will talk about articles. Now articles, mainly which are the articles? A and the. A and the. A and an, they are called as indefinite articles, and the is called as definite article. Okay, why they refer to as indefinite articles? They refer to a or an, they are referred to as indefinite articles because they do not refer to a particular noun, particular person, place or thing. They never refer. Okay, so where they are used, a is used with, of course, singular, right? Singular countable, you are right. But where mainly it is used? It is used with which sound? Consonant sounds. Okay, I have a book. Okay, B is what? It is consonant. Okay, N is used with vowels. Okay, vowel sounds with we use N. For example, there is an ox standing on the road. Okay, he purchased an ox. I have an umbrella which have different colors. He's an honest man, right? Okay, so what is the difference between A or N? Is that A is used with what? A is used with consonant sounds and N is used with vowel sounds. Then afterwards, where otherwise we use A or N, it is of course used A or N. Here I am talking about first of all with about indefinite articles only. Indefinite articles, that is A or N. Okay, it is used with consonant sounds, it is used with vowel sounds. Okay, then it is used with singular countables. Okay, this example already I have given. Next, this is also used with numeric one, where it is the sense of numeric one. For example, I have a pen. Okay, he has an umbrella, it means one umbrella. it is also simplifying, it is also signifying the sense of one. Okay, then it is also used with liters, with price and speed, with price and speed, where they give the sense of per. For example, the milkman is selling the milk 35 rupees a liter. A liter. Okay, means per liter. He is selling the bananas for 35 kilometers. Whatever, dash a dozen. Okay, he is running his car at 45 kilometers an hour. Per hour means it is giving the sense of hour. Then it is also used with exclamatory sentences. For example, exclamatory sentences. No, in between the class, nobody will ask me. What a beautiful scene. What a wonderful day it was. Huh? What a busy day. Okay, it means that indefinite articles, these are the different uses of a or an. Okay, so let us repeat. A is used with consonant sound, an is used with vowel sound, then it is used with singular countable nouns, numeric ones, give the sense of numeric one, price and speed, but where their meaning is per. Then afterwards with exclamatory sentences. Now, next afterwards, out of indefinite we have done articles. Next is the definite article. Which is the definite article? It is the. The is called definite article because it is referring to one particular thing of which we are talking about. For example, when in the preceding sentence the noun is used and in the next one we have to refer it, we can use the. For example, speak louder. Okay, the clock is hanging on the wall. Okay, the road is well built or the highway is well built for Delhi. Okay, so in this manner, when in the preceding sentence we are talking about, and again we are talking about in the next sentence, that what we are using the. Next afterwards, when we are talking about a class, talking about a noun, but it represents a class. But what it represents? It represents complete class. It is actually common noun. Talking about a common noun, but it represents a complete class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. The camel is the king of the desert. It means this camel and the dog, it is representing the entire class of dogs as well as camels. Now it is also used with proper noun. But again, here this proper noun, it represents a class. It again represents a class. For example, the Kalidas is the Shakespeare of Hindi literature or Indian literature. Okay. So in this manner, what the Kalidas it is representing, it is proper noun. Okay. But here it is we are using the. Okay. Kalidas is the Shakespeare. Here the Shakespeare it is representing the great, you can say, laureates. Right. Then afterwards, it is also used with celestial objects which are one of a kind. Okay, things in universe. Okay, the earth which are one of a kind. Which are one of a kind. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the Mars. Okay, then it is also used with superlative degrees. It is also used with superlative degree. For example, this is the best choice you have ever made. Okay, this is the most beautiful flower in the entire world. This is the most impressive writing which you have written now. It means it is also used with superlative degrees. Next, it is also used with origin. Origin and relation. For example, the French, the Indian, origin and religion. The Hindus. Okay, with caste also. The Sharmas, the Oberois. You are also using the. Next, it is also used with next, it is also used with, for example, which also represents complete class. Complete class. For example, the rich. The rich are making fun of the poor. Here it means it represents a complete class also. It represents a complete class. Okay. Next again, it is, huh? I'm giving an example. Next, afterwards, it is used with particular thing. For example, the boy sitting at the front seat is very intelligent. Okay. The chart, okay, hanging on in the center of the wall is quite impressive. Right? It means which and during which we are referring to particular thing also, then the is used. Again with the name of the countries. The United States, which are in, again yesterday we have talked about na, which are plural, which have formed of different parts. The United States of America, United Arab Emirates, with the name of, you can say, rivers also. Yamuna, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, with the name of trains, aeroplane, ships. Okay. Then with the name of the islands, the, yes, the Andamans, the West Indies. Okay. Then afterwards with mountain ranges too, the Himalayas, the Mount Everest. Okay. Name of the rivers we have done. Name of newspapers and magazines. The Hindustan Times. Okay, right? So with these we are using, okay, the name of oceans also, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. So where the is used. So we have completely revised the use of the afterwards. Okay, we have completely revised the use of the, right? Next afterwards, after articles, next category is of, after articles, which is the next category? Possessives. Okay. Possessive, can you give any example which mention the possession or give a sense of ownership? Possession, we show the sense of name indicates possessive determiners. It means they give the sense of possession or ownership. For example, this is my pen, this is your book, this is their house, this is our street. Okay, so here this, my, our, sorry, not this, my, our, your, his, her, these are called as possessive determinants, not yours. That is possessive adjective. There. Okay. Now, after that, we are having next category is of numeral determiners. Now, numeral determiners, as the name indicates, which mention the number. Numeral means which mention the number. Right. Okay. Here also they are of different types. Okay. Numeral, 1 minute. Numeral determiners, let me write down. Again here the different categories are there. For example, definite, indefinite and distributive. You know all, but here I am just making you revise the different categories they are having. For example, in case of definite numerals, which are there, we have two types, ordinals we have cardinals ordinals. You know these. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are cardinals. If I will speak them in first, second, third, they are ordinals. Next is indefinite, which do not mention particular, which do not mention in particular the number. For example, few, a few, okay, few, 1 minute, a few and the few. What is the difference between all these? Few is used in negative sense, means not much amount. Negligible. A few means in an affirmative way, some. Okay, that the few means not much, but the entire which we are talking about. For example, there are few students absent, means almost all are present. आपके बड़े इशारे चल रहे, क्या बात है आपको? हाँ, next is a few students, a few water, there is a little. Okay, next the few students who are present have submitted the test. It means those who are present, those entire ones. Okay, next afterwards we have many. Well, that is in that distributive. Little is in quantitative, sorry, quantitative determiners. Then many, we have some and any. Some is used with, it is used with countables and uncountables. Some for positive, okay, affirmative, when we have something in a positive way, and any means negative way. There is not any student present in the class, means no student is present in the class. There are some students present in the class, means it is used in a positive way. Some, yeah, but it is in positive sense. It means few means negative. Okay, negative sense, right? Then we have all. It is used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, all books, all students. Okay. Now, next afterwards we have distributive. Distributive means when we talk of many and talk of class or group, and out of them we are talking about one. Means we are talking about one, but here we are referring out of that class or group, we are referring to one. For example, either, neither, either student can go from this class. Okay, neither of you, I'm talking about two, but I'm talking neither, not you, not you. Okay, right? Each, I'm talking about class, suppose. Okay, each desk is painted brown. It means I'm talking about all the benches present here, okay, or placed here. But here I'm talking that each desk, okay, right? So these are distributive ones, okay. Next, clear this, articles, possessives, numeral. Next we are coming up to quantitative. Okay, now next are quantitative determiners. Now, in case of quantitative determiners, what they show? They mention the quantity. What they show? They mention the quantity. Give example. Here we will consider the example of again some and any also. Okay, some and any can also be here, but here it is used with uncountables. There is some milk in the jug. There is not any milk in the jug. Okay, this can also be again positive, and negativity will be included. When I will ask you, you won't be able to answer. Then afterwards, little, a little, and the little. You people are not paying attention. That's why you are calling it here P as pronouns and prepositions. Whatever, you are also in the same category. Next, little, a little, and the little. Again, little in negative sense. There is little milk in the jug, means very negligible amount. A little means some appreciable. Okay. A little water is required to make it soft. Okay, means means, but a little bit means very less, but in a positive way. The little milk in the jug was used by him for making tea. It means very small amount was there, but the entire was used for making tea. The little money I had in my purse is used for purchasing the grocery item. It means small amount of money I had, but that small amount which I had, the entire was used in, huh? Okay, right. Okay, next is yes, much is needed to be done in this case. Much efforts are required. Not how much. Okay, that is an interrogative. Okay. Okay, right. So got quantitative. Lakshay Mago, you got? You got? Okay, fine. Very good. Next, we are having the last category is of demonstratives. Now, yes, this, that, these, those. Okay. This for singular, that again for singular, which is far away. These plurals. What is the difference between these and those, Lakshay? Why these and those? क्या? Okay, far and near one. So clear? So what? How many type of determiners? 5. Which one? And demonstrative. Articles, how many types? 2 types. Definite, indefinite. Indefinite ones, a and. Definite one, the. Possessive. Give the examples of possessive. His, her, my, your, are, their. Numeral. How many categories? First of all, 3 main categories. Definite, indefinite, distributive. Definite, cardinals and ordinals. Cardinals 1, 2, 3, 4. Ordinals first, second, third, fourth. Then indefinite ones, many, some, any, all, few, a few, and the few. Next afterwards, distributive. We have not nor, only either and neither. Each, not nor. We are not talking about pair. That either or neither nor is correlative conjunctions. There it is used. Okay. Next afterwards, we have quantitative ones, much, some, any, then little, a little, the little. Okay. Then afterwards, we are having demonstratives. This, that, these, those. This, that, these, those. Okay. Now some of the exercises that I would like to ask you afterwards. For asking you about all, tell me the appropriate determiners. Dash students were in the class. Okay, many, a few is also right. There is dash danger. There is dash danger of food. Okay, right. Dash things of goodness do a lot. Some things of goodness good. There is not dash butter in the pot. There is not dash butter in the pot. Okay. Any, because here it is not negative. Okay, you should be careful. He talks more but does less. You. Yes. Next, there were not dash benches in the class. Any is also right. What could he do with dash money? Those monies? With little money. Next, dash of the boys agree with me. Either of the boys right. Distributive. Next, dash day she visits India Gate. No. Article determiner. That day. Right. Next, dash people will come in the zoo. Some, many, right. Next, dash one will come definitely. Someone, someone. This one, what you are not here referring to this man, no? Next, dash people would like it. Some people, the people is also right. You should ask the bank for dash money. For some money, some money. Affirmative. Dash grapes are sweet and luck juicy. These, those is also right. There is dash milk, dash glass. There is little milk in dash glass. In the glass, or this is also right. The teacher suggested to follow dash instructions. Some, these, his, her is also right. Next, a director of the company had built dash temple. The director of the company, I have already said, had built dash temple. This temple, right? Mind dash business. The teacher ordered. Your. Don't say dash thing when dash thing is clear. Anything. Don't say anything when dash thing is clear. When everything, no. When the thing is clear. Okay. Next. There was hardly dash milk in. Okay. Next. There was hardly dash milk in the bowl. Negative. Hardly is used, na? Any. Then any. Next, you may call me dash time. Anytime. I have dash work to do. Much work. He has dash wealth than his brother. More. More. Comparative degree. Next. He devoted dash time to his studies. Much time to his studies. Next, he has dash work to do. He has much work to do. Okay? Yes. He has some little work. He has little work to do. So now I hope that now the topic of determiners is clear. Okay, almost all the topics we have revised. Tomorrow we will take the revision of models. Okay.